Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you what I have been growing. I bought at Hobby Lobby this little bonsai, grow your own bonsai complete grow kit, and it came with this little vase, tiny little vase. It came with a little pellet that you add the water, and then with some seeds. So I only put one seed in here. There are a few in here, and I have another one soaking. I had a little plant growing in here, but it ended up after, I don't know, many years dying. So I'm just using this. But this is, I think it says it's a conifer, and it had said to soak for optimum results, soak the seed at least 24 hours before planting. And I think I had soaked this maybe for actually, because I forgot about it, for several days. This has actually been in here for, I think, a week. So I'm going to put this other seed in this little cup that I also got at Hobby Lobby. I thought it'd be cute. So I have a couple of pellets. So I'm going to put that in there. And this one I planted on April 6th. So I stuck that at the bottom so I know, how long it's been. And I just saw that it started to grow, because it said it may take 1 or 2 months before it sprouts, but it looks like in about a month it came out. So this is growing here. So I took off the plastic. I'll spritz it every now and then, but I didn't want to plant all the seeds in this one little tiny container, because then I thought it would just get way too overcrowded, whereas one, will be fine. So if you're interested in this, again, just check in the Hobby Lobby section. I want to say it's where like these little like home decor things are. In our Hobby Lobby, it's by the front. So again, I have this one little seed here, and I'm going to go ahead and plant that in here. I'm going to put the date here at the bottom, and we'll see how it continues to grow. Hope everyone's doing well, and have a great weekend. Take care, everybody. Bye.